What do I remember?
Using a condom every time?
Yeah, I remember. I don't ignore it. Using a condom every time during sex is really important.
Wow, Ria is smart. Life will be safe for sure when condom is used always.
Don't ignore, remember once more.
Welcome to the 4th edition of the Sohra International Half Marathon!
Ka jingpenlong ya ka fourth Sohra International Half Marathon 2025 ni kasni arpunyo trik nailur. Kalalong ka bejab ha ka bakila don hadu shipo jar sanspa nyo pendriungut kinong wani shimbenta kentup kinong ya mare bapa kumat na kari bat na syabar kumju. Ka jingdon jong kinong wani shimbenta kalaki ubun sya haba yunujor bat kisnem baladem bat hakini ka kenti kiladon hadu khat laingut kinong mare kibawan na keleng kiri ke pertai bat lai spa lai punyo na kiwei pat ki jela jong kari. Kabakampau hakani ka jing Yakob kadai ka 21K Elite Race hakaba Udinesh Kumar ulayo banra ya ka 6 lakdu hapdeng kishinrang da kaba pendep haka shikenta lai minit arpusau second bat job salid ya u Crester June Pathau ubawan baar na Meghalaya shikenta lai minit arpu khandai second bat sa uravi shikenta san minit lai po second. Kat bahakal yang ki gentai ka tamsi sing kalawan hak kekerdan ke beningkong da shikenta khatsan minit saupu pra second bat I syadian ya ka sehei da selek adhana na Ethiopia kabawan baar da shikenta khandriu minit khanyo second bat but saka Sanggita Pal shikenta arpui minit lai second. Haka 21K Open Meghalayan kategori uyok borlang nongspung ulawan haka kerdan ke beningkong shikenta san minit arpu ar second hapadeng kishinrang bat ka pernai kendaj haka liang ki kentai shikenta arpunyo minit arpu kendai second. Ya kini ka marathon lapan long da ka Meghalaya State Olympic Association MSOA haringkat ke jinga trilang bat ka Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs ke Sorkar Meghalaya bat ka bala itu da ka Athletics Federation of India AFI. Ya kini ka lumpung ya mare la kaweh lama da ka nong job khusnam Olympic bat ka lakdu ba nriu sien kenti haka perthai ka KC Mary Kom haka jinga don lang u menteri ketenat sports ke jela uba Wailan Miki Shila u MLA ke Sohra uba Gavin M melimngap na lor kiwei. Haba ajing kren hadian balakut ke jing ya mare ka Mary Kom kalaong ngas ngokmen shibun banyadan benta ha kani ke jing Yakob ka bala peniat ha ka rukom ke bajanai hapdeng ki saudong saukun ki ba itenat bat ka sun beneng ka bapaka. Ka long ka ba itenat shibun banyo I ya kinong yeshim benta naduk ki kena arit haduk ki bala santam ki bala yeshim benta shidhem ha kani ke jing Yakob da ka jing kemen. Kani kalumpung kam day tang ka jing Yakob Henry ka day halor ka imlang salang ka koit ka kya bar ka jing ay mensim. Nga ay kuble ya baro kinong job kumju ya baro kinong yeshim benta. Namar ka jing penlong ya ka National Games kalajan nga ngej ba ka Meghalaya ka don hakalinti ka badai banlong ka jaka pedeng bakongsan hakaliang ka sports ka labenram.
It's a privilege to be a part of this event. Very happy after seeing all this organized. It was amazing. I should say one of the best ever organized, and we all know that northeastern state is a very beautiful place, especially Meghalaya and Sohra place is, I am really falling in love. I hope from this platform our athlete also going to be achieve a medal in national and international level as well. So this is my best wishes to all the athletes as well as the Sohra people and the Meghalaya people for the upcoming any tournament, any competition, any any international competition. My best wishes with you always, and may God bless you. Thank you so much.
Kiwi part ki jinya kop mare haka ni kelumpung ki kentup ya ke 21K Elite Open above 18 years, 21K Open above 18 years, 10K Open 18 years to 39 years, 10K Open 40 years to 54 years, 10K Veteran above 55 years, but 5K Run for Fun. Hakni kasi la sam ya ka khusnam song pisa ka balong baro khatsan point san polang syabaro kinong job haki kerdan baper.
First of all, I would like to welcome all the runners to the 4th Sohra International Half Marathon. Respected my colleague MLA, David, the local MLA of Sohra constituency, the officials from the sports department, from the district administration, and to each and everyone who have been a part of this 4th Sohra International Half Marathon. And this is our effort to bring Sohra in the world map. So we hope with your participating, and I will urge each and every one of you that please next year I hope to see you again, and I'll request you please bring some more runner so we could see that the Sohra Marathon will grow in the coming years. 3, 2, 1! God be with you, all the best. Big shout out to the gentleman with the pride color on his back. What a spirit! Absolutely awesome. Ladies and gentlemen, Bobby,
Okay.
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.